Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Columbus, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to look at composite decking brands and what really matters when you are comparing them. If you have ever stood in front of a wall of samples feeling overwhelmed, this episode is for you. First, let's talk about what composite decking is. Composite boards are engineered from a blend of materials designed to handle moisture, sun, and everyday use better than many traditional wood options. The goal is to give you a deck that looks good with less sanding, staining, and sealing over its lifetime. This is especially helpful in a climate like Columbus, where decks see hot summers, cold winters, and plenty of rain. When you compare brands, pay attention to how the boards are built. Some have a solid core, while others use different types of internal structure to balance strength and weight. Many composite lines also have a protective cap layer around the outside of the board that helps resist fading, staining, and surface wear. These construction details affect how the deck will look and feel 5 or 10 years from now, not just the day it is installed. Performance features are next. Ask about scratch resistance, especially if you have pets, kids, or heavy furniture. Look into how the boards handle staining from everyday spills like food, drinks, or grill grease. You will also want to consider traction when the deck is wet, since some textures offer better grip than others. Different brands and product lines target different budgets and needs. Composite decking from a company like Trex, for example, is offered in various collections, so you can choose based on looks, performance, and cost. Some lines focus on premium finishes and longer warranties, while others provide solid performance at a lower price point. Matching the right line to how you actually use your deck is just as important as choosing the color. Design is another layer to think about. Board colors, widths, and patterns can change the feel of the space. Lighter tones may show less dirt, while darker ones can feel richer but may get warmer in direct sun. Mixing borders or picture frame details can give your deck a more finished look, especially when paired with matching or contrasting railings. Installation should always follow the brand's guidelines. Each product has specific requirements for joist spacing, fasteners, and edge details. Following those rules helps your deck feel solid and prevents problems like excessive movement or surface issues later on. That is why it helps to work with a builder who is familiar with the composite brand you choose. If you would like help sorting through composite options, you can reach our team at 614-412-4686 or visit toughdeckbuilderscolumbus.com to talk about your project. At Tough Deck Builders Columbus, we match composite products to your home, your budget, and your long-term plans so you end up with a deck that feels like a smart investment, not just a color choice. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Columbus. If this episode made composite decking feel a little less confusing, share it with someone else planning a new deck, and join us next time for more straightforward outdoor living advice.